Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back at session with the arraignment docket scheduled for 9 a.m. on the day's date of May 24 to 2022. Next case is cause number 331624. Case is style of State of Texas versus Kevin Davila. Kevin Davila was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Kevin Davila at the courthouse door. Kevin Davila did not answer. Kevin Davila did not appear in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 12:28 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Porter, would you please call the name of Kevin Davila?
Kevin Davila. No response.
Kevin Davila, name was just called at courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Kevin Davila did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Davila an opportunity to appear in the court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Stay with me for forfeiture bond and warrant be issued.
That motion will be granted. Warrant should be issued for the rest of Kevin Davila, and his bond should be forfeited in cause number 331624. Next case is cause number 331816. Case is style of State of Texas versus Jose Hernandez. Jose Hernandez was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Jose Hernandez at the courthouse door. Jose Hernandez did not answer. Jose Hernandez has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 12:29 p.m. on the day's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jose Hernandez?
Jose Hernandez. No response.
Jose Hernandez name was called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Jose Hernandez did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Hernandez an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Stay would move that the bond be forfeited and warrant be issued.
That motion will be granted. Jose Hernandez bond will be forfeited and the warrant should be issued for his arrest in cause number 331816. Next case is cause number 332006. Case is style of State of Texas versus Paul G. Bill. Paul Bill was scheduled to be in the court this morning for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Paul Bill at the courthouse door. Paul Bill did not answer. Paul Bill has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 12:30 p.m. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Paul Bill?
Paul Bill. No response.
Paul Bill's name was just called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Paul Bill did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Bill an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Stay would move for a forfeiture bond and a warrant to be issued.
That motion will be granted. Paul Bill's bond will be forfeited and the warrant should be issued in cause number 332006. Next case is cause number 332028. Case is style of State of Texas versus Kalen Jubert. Kalen Jubert was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's arraignment docket at or about 9 a.m. Kalen Jubert's name was called. Kalen Jubert did not answer when the court's bailiff called her name at the courthouse door. The time now is 12:31 p.m. on the day's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Kalen Jubert at the courthouse door?
Hubert. No response.
Kellen Jubert's name was just called again at the court's house door by the court's bailiff. Kellen Jubert has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. A reasonable time has passed to give Kellen Jubert an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Stay would move that the warrant be the bond be forfeited and warrant be issued.
That motion will be granted. Kellen Jubert's bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for her arrest in cause number 332028. And this will conclude the calling of the court's arraignment docket scheduled at 9 a.m. on the day's date of May 24, 2022. County Court Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.